Hello everyone, welcome back to Click for Skills. If you have a computer or a smartphone, in today's lesson you are the one I'm going to talk with. Whether you are a student, a teacher, a business person, or a content creator, your data is very crucial. So let's learn how to keep it safe. I'm sure that at the end of this video, you will be able to use your computer safely and securely, ensure that your data is protected. What is data protection? Data protection is defined as the process of safeguarding data from corruption, loss, or unauthorized access. When we say data, we are referring to a collection of numbers, characters, photos, and symbols which are held in a computer. How to protect your computer? It is essential to take measures to protect computer from threats such as unauthorized access, trojans, viruses, rootkits, and much more. A person who gains unauthorized access to a computer system poses a great threat to any institution. A computer system can be protected from security threats by assigning every authorized person by user privilege or passwords in order to access it. In this case, every authorized user would have to log into the computer system, and the history of his or her activities can be tracked if the system is carefully inspected. User privilege. Every user of the computer can have an account created for their use. Each account is with different privileges. User privilege is a permission given to a user to perform an action. It is used to regulate who can view or use the resources in a computer. Identification and authentication. In order to access the computer, user requires some form of identification and authentication. Identification refers to the process of proving one's identity. Authentication refers to the process of verifying the identity of a user. For identification process, the computer system first verifies that the user has a valid user account. The process then requires a confirmation of validity by use of password. The computer maintains an internal list of valid user accounts and a corresponding set of access privileges for each account. Types of computer accounts. An account can either be administrator or standard user in Windows operating system. Administrator account. This is a user that has superior privileges. Administrators can make changes to the account of other users, such as changing the security settings, installing software and hardware, as well as accessing and modifying all files on the computer. Standard account. Standard account is also called guest account. This is a user account that allows people to have temporary or limited access to a computer. People with this type of account can use some of the software installed. They can also change some system settings that do not affect other users or the security of the computer. Standard users cannot install software, hardware, or create passwords, however. Procedures for creating a user account. To create a user account, open the control panel. Type the control panel in search and then open it. Click on user accounts and click on user account again. Then click on manage another account. After, click on add a new user in this PC settings. The settings windows will open and follow the following steps. Click add account under other users. Choose I don't have this person's in sign-in information. Click add a user without a Microsoft account. After, enter the following. Enter the username for the account. Enter the password and security questions. Then, click Next to finish. Procedures for changing the type of user account. To set account as administrator or standard, follow the following procedure. Open the control panel and click on user accounts. Click on user accounts again and click on manage another account. Click the user account you just created and click on change the account type. Select administrator and click on change account type. A password. The common method of protecting a computer against any intruder is to set up user account with username and password. The access to the computer is therefore denied to anyone who does not have the username and the password. What is a password? A password is a secret code used to prevent unauthorized access to a computer hardware, software, as well as the data and information stored in a computer. A good password should be strong and easy to remember, but it should be difficult for hackers to guess. What is a hacker? A hacker is a person who tries to access an account in a computer without permission. Types of hackers. Hackers are classified in the following types. Number 1. White hat hackers or ethical hackers. They are hackers that help organizations to find and fix security weaknesses. They work legally with permission and often hired by companies or governments. Example, penetration testers and cybersecurity experts. Number 2. Black hat hackers or malicious hackers. They are hackers that steal data, cause damage, or make money illegally. They work illegally without permission. They often involved in cyber crimes like hacking banks, spreading malware, and much more. Black hat hackers break laws and cause harm. Number 3. Grey hat hackers. They are hackers that mix both white and black hat activities. They may hack without permissions, but not with bad intention. Ethically, They may be questionable, but not always harmful. Number 4. Script kiddies. They are hackers that use pre-made hacking tools without real knowledge. Usually, they do it for fun or attention. They are amateurs, but they can still cause troubles. Number 5. Hacktivists. They are hackers that hacking for political, social, or ideological causes. Example, Anonymous, a well-known hacktivist group. They are activists using hacking for change. Number 6. Green hat hackers. They are hackers that are new and learning for hacking. They are eager to grow skills and become ethical or professional hackers. They are the beginners who want to learn more. Number 7. Blue hat hackers. Sometimes referred to the hackers hired to test systems before launch, like ethical testers, or revenge hackers who hack out of anger or personal reasons. They can be good or bad depending on situations. Characteristics of strong password. A strong password should have at least 8 characters. It should contain a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters. It should also have numbers and symbols if they are allowed. Lastly, it should be changed frequently. Procedures for creating a password using Windows. When you are going to create a password, open Control Panel. Go to the user account. Again, click User Account. Click Manage another account. And then select user account you want to set a password for. After, click Create Password. Enter a new password and confirm the password again. Enter the password hint if you want and click Create Password. Procedures for changing password using Windows. To change an existing password, open the Control Panel. Go to User Accounts. Again, click User Accounts. Click Manage another account. Select the user account you want to change a password for. Click Change Password. After, enter the current password and enter the new password. Enter the new password again to confirm. Enter password hint if you want, and then click Change. To change existing password on Windows, you can use shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete at the same time on your keyboard, and then click on Change Password. Enter the old password. After, enter a new password. Enter it again to confirm new password. After, press Enter or click the arrowhead. Tips for creating a strong password. If you want to create a strong password for your computer or account, you can follow the following tips. Number 1. Think of a phrase that you can easily remember. The phrase should have at least 8 words. Number 2. Take the first letter of each word. Number 3. Choose some letters and change them to the numbers that match in shape. Number 4. Change some letters to lowercase. Number 5. Change some letters into symbols that match in shape. You can use this technique to create your own strong password. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content on digital safety and tech tips like this. Remember this, your data is your power, so protect it wisely. If you got a question or tips on staying safe online, drop them in comments below. Until next time, stay smart, stay secure.